In 2025, interior design is all about comfort, sustainability, and personality. Here's a breakdown of the top 10 trendy interior design styles dominating this year. Number 1. Soft minimalism. Clean lines but cozy. Neutral palettes with warm tones. Plush textures, boucle, linen, soft wool. Curved furniture replacing sharp edges. Number 2. Eco-luxury design. Sustainability meets elegance. Natural materials, stone, wood, clay. Upcycled and handmade decor. Indoor plants plus organic shapes. Number 3. Japandi. Japanese simplicity plus Scandinavian warmth. Earthy neutrals and dark wood. Focus on craftsmanship. Calm, zen-like spaces. Number 4. Biophilic interiors. Nature inside your home. Vertical gardens. Natural light maximization. Raw materials like bamboo, stone, and rattan. Number 5. Modern retro revival. 70s and 90s vibes. Funky geometric patterns. Color pops, mustard, burnt orange, deep green. Retro lighting and statement decor.